Hello creative minds. Today I will discuss the form of the human body. This information will provide you with a better understanding of human body forms which can assist you in sketching, figure drawing, illustrations and animation. Before we begin, please watch the first part of this topic to gain a better understanding of human body proportion. Once you have done so, return to this video and start your learning. The link to the first part is included in the description or can be found above. Now, let's begin with one more knowledgeable drawing exercise. Here is a list of required material for this exercise. Image as given. You will get this image from the link which is in description. Take a black and white printout of this image on an A4 sheet. Keep fit to page option on while taking printout. A4 size tracing paper, glass marking or color pencil. Color has to be red, green and blue. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Start with the basics. Hold the paper in landscape mode. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. We are now going to learn about the basic forms of the human body. This reference image uses a proportion of 7.5 heads. You will be working with side view, front view and front 3/4 view. To start, place tracing paper over the printout and ensure it remains in place throughout the drawing process. Begin with chest by tracing its simple egg shape. Then convert the pelvis into a simple triangular curved shape. Use a different color to identify body joints and use red strokes to indicate the flow of human bone. Add a center line and finish with the head and neck. For the side view, follow the same steps as for the front view. Start with the chest, then the pelvis, joints and the bone flow, and end with head and neck. After completing the front and side views, move to the front 3/4 view. This view is like a middle pose between the front and the side view. So observe it carefully before proceeding. This basic format will help you to draw human figures with more practice. If you want to learn about how these forms work for action poses, check out my other tutorial. In the description, you will find a video link for your reference. That's it. Send me on WhatsApp and take a feedback and subscribe the channel for more interesting videos and tutorials.